Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
This guide explains how to change the origin in Solidworks quickly. Changing the origin helps align parts and assemblies to real-world coordinates. I will show use of move origin, reference geometry, and sketches. You can place the origin on an existing vertex, midpoint, or center point. We will cover both part files and assembly workflows step by step. Follow along in SolidWorks 2018 through 2025. The interface is similar. Pause the video to try each action in your model and practice. Open your part or assembly file before you change the origin in SolidWorks. Turn on the Move/Copy Bodies tool for parts or use mate references in assemblies. To move the origin, select Tools, Options, System Options, and Geometry Editor. Create a reference point or sketch and snap it to a desired model location. Use the Transform Origin command to set the coordinate triad to that reference. Verify X, Y, Z orientations and confirm the new origin position before saving your file. If sketches fail to constrain, check for duplicate geometry and deleted references. Use Rebuild and Force region when the triad does not update visually. When working with imported models, create derived sketches to re-establish reliable references. Be cautious moving the origin in assemblies since mates may fail or flip unexpectedly. Backup files and use Save as versions before major coordinate changes for safety. Consult the Help menu or SolidWorks community if you encounter persistent errors or crashes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.